Welcome to our guide on creating genuine connections through dating apps. I know, the phrase genuine connection can sound a little cheesy in the world of swiping left and right, but trust me, beneath those witty bios and carefully curated photos, real people are looking for real connections. In this video, we'll explore the best topics to discuss and what to avoid to foster trust and understanding. Because let's face it, forging a bond with someone through a screen isn't always easy, but with the right approach, you can cut through the noise and have conversations that spark real interest. Get ready to ditch the superficial small talk and dive into topics that truly matter. And don't forget to subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more tips on mastering dating apps and building genuine connections. Let's start with the foundation of any great connection: shared interests. Think about it. Don't you naturally gravitate towards people who enjoy the things you do? Ask about their favorite hobbies, music, movies, or books. Maybe you both bond over a love for classic rock or share a passion for cooking elaborate meals. These shared passions become instant conversation starters and can lead to fun, engaging exchanges. Take it a step further and delve into their weekend routines or how they spend their holidays. Do they crave adventure, seeking out new hiking trails or planning spontaneous road trips? Or are they more introverted, finding solace in cozy nights with a good book? Discovering these little details helps paint a vivid picture of their personality and provides endless opportunities for you to find common ground and build rapport. Now let's get a little deeper, shall we? Everyone has dreams, ambitions burning within them, waiting to be shared with the right person. Encourage them to open up about their career goals. What drives them? What are they most passionate about? But don't stop there. Dive into their personal aspirations. Do they dream of starting a family, traveling the world, or mastering a new skill? These aspirations reveal their values and what truly matters to them. Share your own dreams and aspirations as well. Vulnerability breeds connection. By opening up and sharing your own hopes and dreams, you create a safe space for them to do the same. Remember, this is about connecting on a deeper level, understanding their motivations and letting them see the real you in the process. Our relationships shape us, and those closest to us reveal a lot about who we are. Encourage them to share stories about their family and friends. Are they close to their siblings? Do they have a mischievous pet that brings endless laughter into their lives? Listen closely to the way they talk about these relationships. Do they value loyalty, humor, or shared adventures? These stories offer a window into their world and the people they hold dear. This is also a great opportunity to discuss relationship dynamics. Do they believe in having a large circle of friends or a tight-knit group they can always rely on? Sharing your own perspectives on friendship and family can create a sense of mutual understanding and shared values. Remember, this isn't about prying. It's about appreciating the tapestry of their life and the connections that have shaped them into the person they are today. Chapter 4. Humor and fun laughter is the best policy. Let's face it, dating should be fun. Injecting humor into your conversations is like adding a spark of magic. It lightens the mood, breaks down barriers, and allows you both to relax and be yourselves. Share a funny anecdote from your day or a harmless joke that always makes you smile. Don't be afraid to be a little silly. Authenticity is charming. Engage with playful would-you-rather questions or light-hearted hypotheticals. These can lead to surprisingly insightful conversations and reveal their playful side. Remember, laughter is a powerful connector. It creates a sense of shared joy and can quickly turn an ordinary conversation into something memorable. So don't be afraid to embrace your inner comedian and let the laughter flow. Chapter 5. Personal values aligning on what matters. Now it's time to delve a little deeper and explore the values that guide their lives. What do they believe in? Is it kindness, integrity, or personal growth? What are their non-negotiables when it comes to relationships? Talking about values might seem serious, but it's a crucial step in determining compatibility. Do your core beliefs align? Do you share similar outlooks on life? Discuss their views on work-life balance, the importance of giving back to the community, or what truly brings them joy. These conversations reveal their priorities and paint a picture of their character. Remember, you're not looking for a carbon copy of yourself, but it's essential to find someone whose values resonate with your own. Chapter 6. Cultural experiences. Embracing new perspectives. The world is a fascinating tapestry of cultures, each with its own unique traditions, perspectives, and stories to tell. Encourage them to share their travel experiences, both past and dreamed of. Have they explored ancient ruins in Greece or danced the night away at a festival in Brazil? Travel stories are captivating, but you can also connect over shared culinary interests. What are their favorite cuisines? Are they adventurous eaters or creatures of habit? Food is a fantastic way to bond and can spark conversations about different cultures and traditions. Don't be afraid to share your own cultural background and experiences as well. It's about embracing diversity and finding common ground through shared appreciation for the world around us. Outro: finding your person. One conversation at a time. Remember, the goal is to connect authentically, listen actively, share openly, and stay respectful of their perspectives, even if they differ from your own. These conversation starters are just a starting point. The key is to be genuinely interested, ask thoughtful follow-up questions, and let the conversation flow naturally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on finding genuine connections. Remember, the right person is out there, and with a little effort and authenticity, you can find them.